It's nighttime, you can't see shit. It's crazy. You gotta catch the HD.
Bring me 100 bottles.
Oh shit. Okay, let me see what they talking about over here.
I'm trying to tell you, yo, this shit been here. Yo, this Bobby that's been here all day? Come on, man. Be honest with me.
We cook in the morning, then we cook in the evening.
See, that's what I was trying to tell you.
2 shifts.
See, we might get rock with this. We might get rock with this. You want some burnt rice, nigga? You want some burnt rice? You know you eat that black rice.
All that pork, you can keep it.
No, I don't eat pork.
The sound looks alright, though. Check it out. You get 35,000 Dutchess.